This is a demonstration of mapping a network drive on an administrative system. The first thing you want to do is go over to Windows Explorer, and there are a couple ways to do that. You can click on the Start button and then click on Computer. That'll bring up a window. The other option is pressing the Windows key on the keyboard and then pressing an E, the letter E, and that'll bring this up. So right now you can see where I have, this is my hard drive, and then I have a DVD drive, but then it doesn't show any of my network drives. So if you have permission to one, but it doesn't show here, there's a pretty easy way you can get it back. Up here in the top, there's a button that says Map Network Drive. You click that, and then you're going to want to pick the drive letter you want to use. And for this example, I'm going to use the letter G. And then what you want to do in the next box is list out the server and share name that should be mapped to that drive letter. And it shows an example below of how you need to format that information. So the first thing you want to do is list the server after you've typed in 2 backslashes. And the backslashes is on the key that's above the enter key. And it's very different from the /, which looks like this. But you'll definitely want to look at the example below and make sure that the slash is leaning in the correct direction. So the server name is, in this case for me, is file SVR. So I'm going to type file SVR, and this is not case sensitive, by the way. Another backslash, and after the server name you want to put the name of the share. So this varies a little bit. I happen to be a member of a group that gives me access to a share called IS. So if I type it like that, and put, make sure there's a check mark in the box that says reconnect at logon, so that it remaps every time I log in, and then click the finish button. Assuming that we did everything correctly, it should open up the share for you, and you can see the contents. And if you close out, you'll see now that I have a map drive showing here under network locations. So this, and you can see the name of the share shows at the beginning. So if you know you have access to a share, you've used it in the past, you know you have permissions, you might, and if you're not sure exactly what the name is, check with a coworker and look on theirs, and it's likely that you'll probably have similar share names. So if you know the name of the share and the server that it's on, then you can very easily get that back. So I hope that helps. Also, there is some good information on the portal. If you go to Campus Services, Information Technology, and Network and Wireless, then there is a button here called Network Shares. And so this gives a lot of the information that I just mentioned. This link down here will take you to just a bunch of them and some names of some common shares. And the demonstration I did was mostly for Windows users, but this also further down contains some information for people that are using Macs as well. So that's how you do it, and I hope that helps. Thanks.